Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Cloud Code isn't just a chat assistant, it's a fully agentic tool that can run, get comments, manage branches, create comments, and push changes without you leaving the conversation. According to the Deep Learning.ai course on Cloud Code, you can simply ask Cloud to remove the folder and push this code to GitHub, and it will execute the necessary get comments, remove the folder, and push the merge code. The key to using Claude Code effectively with Sketch is understanding what it can do, basically, autonomously, and when to check in. So let me show you the most useful Sketch workflows, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. We have the basic Get operations. Claude Code can perform most common Get operations directly. You can simply ask, comment these changes with a descriptive message, push this code to GitHub, merge these changes and push, remove this work tree and the underlying branches. So Claude will execute the appropriate comments and show you the output. You can also ask it to draft comment messages automatically by looking at your changes and recent history. Then you can use the Get Operation Scale. Talking about the Get Operation Specialist, Scale is designed to handle advanced tasks you can invoke it with. You can easily just tap Slash, Get Operations Specialist. This kit provides expert Get operations, including history analysis, conflict resolution, branch strategy, advanced operations, and Get Apply operations as well. We also have the micro comment workflow. Then you can also link your documentation uh, with dimension. If you have design docs, architecture diagrams, or API references, link them with Claude in your prompt, so it would be easy to use it. You can also use voice dictation, or if you want to, dictation. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.